welcome back to my channel. And I'm sorry, we're gonna be making some slime. Sorry, because I just ate, and I went to Chipotle and I had to take a shower because I got salsa all over me. So let's make some slime. So I'm gonna be making it in this thingy. Oh yeah, guys. So I also got this today because I went to Target with my mom to make it in because I got a $20 gift card, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Ooh! So I had gotten this little secret code that says I forgot what it says, but that says strut your stuff. Yeah, I also got this little checklist. I had gotten this pup. I don't know what's wrong with her. Her head is light and her body's dark, like a dark. Yeah. So, and I also got a gift card. I got $20 on it. And yeah, so I'm gonna get this side, and put the rest away in here so I can make my slime. I'm gonna show you the ingredients that I got. I got Elmer's clear glue. I got the Elmer's magical liquid. So that's what we're gonna be making slime with. Oh yeah, I can't forget about mixing too. I don't want to get my hands dirty because I just got the shower. And yeah, and I also got this jelly thing, and I got this dress, a little bracelet, 2 shoes. One of them still had jelly inside of it. Yuck. Trying to get that out. Okay, does it come out? So we'll do it later, so we're gonna put it to the side. And the little oh my gosh, I just dropped all of the shoes. I got it. Not sure I should make the slime in here or in here. In here, no. In here because it's more taller, and it's like a couple more, and it's not gonna tip over or anything. Hopefully it won't. Look. There, tip off the rest of it. So just do it like that. So yeah. Oh. It was good. However, I hear that noise because that noise is annoying. So let's just go start. It's like so clear, guys. Oh, wait, it's just so clear, guys. It's like the best glue ever. Let's pour it into the little container, guys. Yeah, guys, you can see it. Can't open it. Open it, guys. Do not try this at home. Put this thingy in the bottom to open it. There you go. Cause yeah, I just want to make a little bit. So here's the glue. Y'all can't even tell. There's a. I just spilled the glue. I got to scoop it up. And I just got even more glue. Oh my god. I spilled. I'm so clumsy. I keep dropping everything today. Oh yeah, we were at Target. I keep dropping stuff. I dropped a lot of the jelly thingies. Like let me scoop up the glue in the back in the tub. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna add a little bit more because you go down. There you go. Whoa! Oh my gosh, the glue is coming down so fast. It's spilling. The glue is spilling. So, oh my gosh, spilling from over here too. What the heck? Yeah, so I got my activator, my little activator. Wait, the Elmer's magical liquid. Oh, they're just so like fighting that every day since. Yeah. There we go. And then mixing tool for this. I don't want to get my hands all sticky, but that's just how it is. Oh my gosh, guys, it's forming. Don't you see it? Okay. It's like so clear. I could bring somebody that this is like the, what do I call it? The corn syrup. We always have to put it in my brother's milk because he was allergic to certain milk. So he only could drink almond milk. Yeah. I got to keep doing this. Ew, it's sticky. Yeah. This is so sticky. I need some more. Let me just put this down real quick. Oopsie, guys. See? And I go teensy more. Okay, I'm not sure if that's a teensy more. But yeah, guys. I just got the shower and I want to get all dirty again. Ooh, it's like has air bubbles. I got to let it like sit here for like 2. No, not again. For like 2 whole days for it not to like have any air bubbles. Should I do it, guys? Comment down below if I should do it. Yes or no? This still needs more activator. This still needs more activator. Let me see what I can do. Oh gosh, my phone's about to die. I mean, it's not about to die, but it's like for 10%. It's like 220 something. I need to add some more. Ooh, that's nice. Still need to add more good thing. I added a little bit in here and then I added a lot in here at first, but then so guys, this is like so pretty. It's like still sticky in a way. But yeah. I still need to add some more activator medical. Bon appetit, bon appetit. Oh my god. Oh no! Nope. Not today, not today. Okay, stuff keeps flying away. Ugh, I got my hands all dirty now. I don't like it. So my birthday passed and I'm 11. I think it was last Friday. Yeah, it was last Friday. And what are my ants? I just keep holding my hair. Okay, guys, here's the sign so far. Some more activator. We need some activator so this cannot be sticky, people. This cannot be sticky, or you cannot play with it. Sorry about that, guys. So I don't have my glasses today because after I took a shower, I just came out here because I was like, I don't want to do. I'm bored. Oh, there's hair on me. So let me just take the hair off. There's so much stuff on me. Let me just mix it with my hands because, yeah. Oh my gosh. No, I got something dirty in there. I got it dirty already. Ew. Just a color place. I don't like to get my hands all dirty. Yeah. Yeah, guys, let me scoot over. Oh, my pants from the drips. The drips. So, guys, I'm at teensy more. Okay, that was like, I was like supposed to have like a teensy drop, but I got like 3 drops. That's all my brother, but that was my dog. My brother always bites me in my video. But if you haven't checked out my baby brother's morning routine, please check it out. That's so cute. And I forgot to press the bell gosh, guys, this is like some good clear sign. It's still a little sticky. Oh my gosh, my brother just left a note somewhere. I'm thinking. Oh wait, never mind. I thought the motor wasn't here, but it's still here. Let me pull it down more. Activating. Yeah. You still need to add it in here, guys. Sorry if that noise is annoying. This chainsaw cutting wood because I'm pressing two houses down. Two houses down, like 2 houses down right there. He cuts stuff